Hi, this is Mark Simmons with an update for you. As a direct result of OGSBA's efforts and coordination with Representative Anna Scharf and the Capitol Press and other avenues to generate public pressure, DLF has started writing checks to seed growers who previously received 80 cents for their 2024 tall fescue crop. Even though the Department of Ag refused to enforce the law as intended and has followed an extended administrative process that gives a dealer many opportunities to delay paying growers, time has ran out, and it is now time for hearings on the issues before a state administrative law judge. Hearings are set for early December. However, now that DLF has decided to pay and bring growers up to the full amount they were owed, we do not expect any fireworks at these hearings. As you know, OGSBA has been preparing to file a class action lawsuit against DLF, and a number of our members stepped up to be plaintiffs in the case. OGSBA legal counsel had communicated the fact of our pending lawsuit to DLF, and so they were aware that the suit was coming. It could have ensured that all growers DLF had only paid 80 cents to were paid in full. However, DLF has now paid all our plaintiffs the full amount they were owed, so they are no longer eligible to be plaintiffs in this action. We believe DLF has paid everyone who filed a slow pay, no pay complaint, but there is still the question of those who did not file a complaint, and they are still owed the additional 12 cents per pound. If you're an OGSBA member who took the 80 cents, and even if you signed the non-disclosure agreement, you are still owed the full amount. And please call or text me, Mark Simmons, at 503-551-3208. The Department of Justice is now involved, and we believe this little controversy will be wrapped up very soon. We're glad for the resolution. There's been some turnover in upper management at DLF, and they've up to this point been a wonderful company to work with. We hope to get back to better terms with them very soon. We have a booth each year at the Albany Ag Expo, and many growers came by a couple weeks ago, last week I guess it was, to offer their comments and support for things we have been doing. Some asked about becoming members and wished they had been before all this happened. OGSBA is open to all growers. It is the only by growers for growers organization in the industry. It is advocating for you, and it needs your support. Thank you. I'll be back soon with more information.